helpers all around, in the city and the town. They work hard every day, helping us in every way. Doctor helps us when we're sick, makes us better quick, quick, quick. Teacher helps us learn and grow, teaches us what we should know. Helpers, helpers all around, in the city and the town. They work hard every day, helping us in every way. Postman brings the mail each day, letters and packages on their way. Walking miles through rain or sun, delivering to everyone. Helpers, helpers all around, in the city and the town. They work hard every day, helping us in every way. Police keep us safe each day, watching traffic, leading the way. Firefighters brave and strong, saving lives all day long. Chef is cooking tasty meals, food that everyone can feel. Librarian.
In a community, we stay together, help each other. There's a tailor for our clothes to wear, and a barber to cut and trim our hair. A sweeper who cleans up the streets. There's a shopkeeper who keeps the things we need, and to fit the water pipe, an electrician to fix the fan and light. In a community, we stay together, help each other. When you grow up, think what you wanna be, how you are going to help your community. In a community, we stay together, help each other. In a community,